In front of me is iPhone 16 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Face ID and passcode. Then scroll down again to tap on Turn Passcode On and hit Passcode options to apply a perfect one for you. 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. Wherever you decided, tap on the chosen option and then create your passcode. If you see this kind of pop-up, you should change your passcode because it's too easy. I will tap on Use anyway though, because this is just an example. When you're ready, repeat your passcode to confirm it. And go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that passcode is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!